So here it is. How much magnesium are you actually absorbing when you take magnesium tablets or powders, mineral drops in your drinking water, and magnesium through the skin? Well, I'm going to use my hourglass analogy to show you exactly what is happening in the digestive system and through the skin. The bottom half of the hourglass is going to represent our tissue cells and how much magnesium is being taken up into the cells. And the top of the hourglass is going to represent our digestive system. We have not evolved to digest tablets and powders. So when we overload our digestive system with high amounts of magnesium, we are basically just supplementing the toilet with magnesium instead. If you take magnesium glycinate, for example, what your digestive system has to do is it actually has to separate the glycine from the magnesium and then find a chloride already in the body to pair with the magnesium before it can actually absorb the magnesium into the tissue cells. Not to mention that it also has to get through the fillers and binders of that tablet to reach magnesium in the first place. This is a really long process with a lot of extra steps that are really unnecessary and reduces the magnesium absorption rate even further. So the neck of the hourglass represents how quickly magnesium can be passed through the gut wall. You cannot force it to go any quicker. So take as many tablets and powders as you want, but they're just going to be going straight down the toilet without increasing the amount of magnesium that's getting into the body. How much you're absorbing through the gut is determined by how good your digestive system is, if you happen to have any kidney issues, and also dependent on the type of magnesium you're taking. Now let's look at adding magnesium mineral drops to your drinking water to mimic natural spring water. So what is found in nature and what we have evolved to digest through the gut, which is small amounts of magnesium over a long period of time. Again, the bottom half of the hourglass represents our tissue cells and the top half represents our digestive system. So when we're sipping on our magnesium water throughout the day, the amount going into the digestive system matches the amount that is being absorbed through the gut wall. This means that we're not risking diarrhea and we're not wasting it down the toilet. What you're taking into the digestive system is being absorbed into the body. However, we cannot absorb what we need each day through digestion alone, and that's where the skin comes in. This time my hourglass is going to represent the top half being our skin and the bottom half is still the tissue cells of our body. Our skin acts like a dinner plate for our body. So we can put magnesium onto our skin in high doses and our body can take from it as it needs throughout the day without the risk of overdosing. Magnesium chloride through the skin is up to 30 times more absorbable and effective than any tablets or powders. This is mainly due to the fact that it completely bypasses the digestive system and it's already in the right form for cellular uptake. Inside the tissue cells of our body, it makes up potassium, magnesium, and chloride. So when we give the body magnesium chloride, the cells suck it up really quickly and efficiently. No further digestion is needed. Everybody is different and everyone's going to need a different amount of magnesium. And this way is a really easy way to experiment because you can put as much magnesium as you want on the skin. The body will never take more than it needs. For the average person each day, we need approximately 300 to 400 milligram of elemental magnesium just to function properly. That doesn't leave any leftover to start refilling our reserve tanks of magnesium. So adding in extra magnesium allows your body to put some magnesium into its magnesium bank account and start refilling that. And this is where you will find your magnesium deficiency symptoms start to disappear. When we experience deficiency symptoms like cramps, restless legs, heart problems, skin problems, this is our body's way of crying out for help and letting us know that our magnesium reserve levels are getting low. So how much magnesium do you need to take? You just need to listen to your body. Experiment each day, a little bit more, a little bit less. You know your body best.